Well, if you're in the market for a new speaker or smart speaker, look no further. Belkin has come out with an exciting new smart speaker that I think you should have a look at. Not only would this be great in any family room or living room, but also in the bedroom as well. You probably know Belkin from their accessories and also their chargers. Well, they've blended the best of both worlds into this. Not only is this a fast charger, it also has a smart speaker component built right in. They've partnered with a high-end French audio company called Devialet, and they provide all the technology as far as the acoustics of the speaker are concerned. They are able to get rid of the distortion when you pump the volume up really high, and they've got a really unique way of placing the woofers in this to again get rid of the vibration. And so overall, when you're playing your favorite tunes, this thing can actually get pretty loud. What I like about it, though, is that it also has a built-in Google Assistant. It's part of the whole Google Home family. So if you do have other Google Home products, you can actually set up a multi-room speaker system with this. It's nice because you can control everything in your home, be it smart home devices. You can set timers and alarms. And you can also tie it in with your favorite music subscription services. So whether you're using things like Spotify, Deezer, Amazon Music, they can all be routed through here, and you can basically use your voice to play your favorite songs. I want to play my favorite radio station. Hey Google, play CKNW 980.
Streaming 980 CKNW Global News Radio from TuneIn.
And so it'll automatically go right into that.
Advice for her and for all of us.
Hey Google, stop. So it's a fantastic feature. Being able to use your voice to control everything is fantastic, and the fact that you can also use the Bluetooth really gives this thing the power. On the front, you'll notice it's got a number of touch buttons here. You've got Bluetooth, you've got the microphone on and off, play, pause, and the volume control on this. And the nice feature too, it charges your phone while you've got it on there. It's a fast charger. Not super fast, it's doing 10 watts, which is not bad. Usually kind of the lower end is 5 watts, so you're going to get a faster charge out of it. But it is nice to have somewhere to put your phone and have that speaker going at the same time as well. So with Google Assistant, you can do all sorts of things, play games, you can control your smart home, you can also set alarms and timers. It's pretty endless. There's literally tens of thousands of different commands that you can give this little baby. But again, it comes down to the acoustics, and whether you're pairing it with Bluetooth with your smartphone, and that can work with iPhone or Android, or just using the built-in Google Assistant and the music subscription of your choice, it really pumps those tunes out. Again, it's called the Belkin Soundform Elite Hi-Fi Smart Speaker. If you are in the market for a new one, definitely one you should check out.